Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to delete parentheses from your Excel workbook. In order to do that, I have created 10 random cell numbers and I want to remove the opening parentheses and the closing parentheses from those operating numbers. How to do that? Firstly, we are coming from the above menu to home, and from the editing section we have to find and select. We are selecting this and we are selecting from the opening menu find, and we are going to replacement tab and find what it says Excel. We want to remove the opening parentheses. We'll put this value, and for the replacement value will be only space. We're leaving on one space, and after all that we are saying replace all. And as you can see, all done. We have replaced 10 values for this particular example. Also, I want to remove the closing parentheses. We're doing the same process. We're saying find what, closing parentheses, and replace with what. We're leaving once again one space, and after that we are clicking replace all. And as you can see, all done. We've made 10 replacements and the closing parenthesis has been removed from our Excel worksheet. Closing this. Also, the same process will be applied for dashes. Let's remove dashes from this example. We're coming once again to home, find and select, clicking this, clicking find. We're going once again to replace, and from here we're putting dash, what to find, and we're replacing with only a space. Replace all, and we have removed the dashes from this particular example. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.